To get started, you want to make a clean parting, just like so. And then I generally like to take a section of hair about 1 inch to 1.5 inches away from the hairline. And it's just a small section of hair, about an inch section of hair, just like so. Taking your hidden crown rat tail comb, you're going to tease the hair by just gently pushing down from a little far above the rooting and just pushing that hair down a few times, and this creates a cushion like so. The cushion is what's going to be where the clip clips onto, and it's sturdy and does not move. And I like to just bring this section and bring it back because it's going to be hidden under the crown topper. Now I want to point out here, you can see my parting here, and then you can see a really clean parting here. So it's like a upside down L. This is how you want it. You want it super clean like this so that the topper is applied and everything is kind of seamless once you brush your hair back into it. So opening each of the clips like so, you're going to take the crown topper and bring it above your head, and I'm holding the front up like so, and I'm holding the 2 side clips up and off of my head so it doesn't grab onto any of my hair, so I have complete control when applying it. You want to first apply the front clip, and you want to line up the parting that you created in your crown topper with your parting that you have in your head. The teeth of the comb are going to touch down right in front of the teased sectioning. So right where the parting is behind the front section is where the teeth are going to go. And you can see how the parting of the crown topper lines up with my parting. And the next step is to put the teeth down and scoop into that section that is teased. Now you can see really cleanly that the parting is all lined up here and the crown topper is flush to my head in the front. You then proceed to scoop the 2 sides and clip. Do the back the same. You do not need to tease the sectionings of hair that the sides and the back clip onto. It's just the front that needs the teasing. And then you proceed to style your hair, and I like to push back the section in the front that I leave out into my crown topper so that it looks super natural like that. You can use a little hairspray to kind of tame down the little flyaways, just like so. And that's how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video to be very helpful. Make sure to check out these other videos here that are in correlation to the video you just watched. And our YouTube channel is here for you as 24/7 support on everything you need to know about owning and wearing a hidden crown hair extension. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to email us at accounts@hiddencrown.com. And we love seeing your photos on social media, so make sure to tag us on one of the social media platforms below.